My country people, una welcome back to my channel today. Hilda will be saying cook for 100 hours, wey break Guinness World Record few weeks ago. She don come out come talk one kind thing wey be say don anger Nigerians so. And also Sandra BB Titan, she don come out to come tell her fans say she no need their money for her birthday. So una remember as Hilda take cook for 100 hours wey be say everybody, the whole Nigeria dey hot that period, everybody dey hail am, everybody dey shout, senators, politicians, different people even go to go cheer her up, all those kind things. She don come out to come explain to give Nigerians say make Nigerians no judge her by the way she look, say she fit dey wear ashawo cloth but e no mean talk say she no get values for life. So that one, when she first make that statement, e no pain people. Na the second one wey be say she come make, na e come scatter Nigerians dada. So she come say, I go read wetin she write for una. So she come say, I need young women to see that there's more to them than society stereotypes. There's always that narrative that you can't make it without having others create a platform for you. I'm saying this from an informed place because I used to be like that. For me, I needed to keep doing things with myself to show people that they can win as well. You can have a business, start cooking from home and build that business properly to the point where you can open an outlet, expand the outlet and branch out. But you need to do your due diligence. It's not easy. Many people see this buzz now and think I dropped from the sky. They didn't know I was homeless at some point. There's an entire phase that got me here and I'm not even done. So the statement wey pain dem for this her write up na that place where she say people fit say she fall from the sky, say she dey homeless at one point. Na so Nigerians vex o. They start to shout to say Hilda no even try that talk again. You wey go Madonna University dey tell us say you dey homeless. Why be say anytime wey be say Nigeria person or Africa person just make am, they go come talk say they go come bring sad story say I was suffering before, I was on the street begging, I was doing that. They go find one sad story talk about. So make we read their comments. So the first person here come say una don start to homeless kwa. I'm in shock like our president. Another one say no be Madonna University you go. Dear Africans, you can inspire people and encourage them without a sub story. Please let your hard work be the inspiration. Honestly, I no even understand wetin make Hilda come make this kind statement. Your mama no even look like a poor person. Your papa no person wey go Madonna University. The parents poor. Another person come say everyone who has made it in life was once homeless. No be small. Someone that went to Madonna University. Anyway, I'm currently homeless and I will make it soon. Amen. Another one come say motivational speaker don start. Avoid Clara because we support you. No mean say we no know wetin you and Ama dey do before now. Well, I don dey hear about this Hilda and Ama story, but I still dey use corner eye take dey look the thing because me I still wan get proof before I bring that story because so many people dey speculate say Hilda na lele, she and Ama all of them dey be lele. So we never really know, but I still dey look. I dey on the lookout for that gist, and once I get am, I go first hear am. So when we continue, another person come say, what is it with Africans and claiming broke when they blow? Na so Vice President of Kenya talk say he bin dey read with light from his father's cigarette at night. Omo, come put laughing emoji. Another one come say person wey go Madonna University and do BBL homeless una. No be small thing o. To do plastic nyash, that na a lot of money. Hilda dey talk say she dey homeless, but where e take come see money wey e take do plastic nyash? Make una dey deceive una sef. Another person come say people should normalize not using the whole I once had no shoe story. Man, some people actually did not suffer while trying to get up there. Honestly. So we just We just really need people to be honest, please. Anybody will just make her for this country. I don't notice that thing. They'll go start to dey tell you the story, how they take dey lie down for under bridge, how they take hawk pure water, sell gala, how they take waka naked, they no even wear shoe for leg. As in some people are not just even understand why we say if you just make am and you come from a wealthy family or average family, nothing dey bad inside if you just accept the glory and just move on. And you don't really necessarily need to come out, come dey talk too much. Because by the time when they talk too much, people will come dey see you finish, they'll come dey vex. So the last person come laugh, come put 3 laughing emoji, come say, once you become a celebrity or popular, you must attach that I was homeless or slept under the bridge story. Homeless and you go private uni. Okay, come put laughing emoji. Me sef, I no even know wetin I wan talk for the matter. So na all dis her cloth wey be say she dey wear, dis particular cloth wey she wear so, na im dey vex Nigerians. All dis kind clothes wey she dey wear so na im make people dey judge her, as in for the clothes aspect, no be for dis one wey be say she talk now. For the clothes aspect, people dey judge her say see wetin she dey wear, all those type of things, say she dey dress like ashawo. So but dis na the picture wey be say she wear after she don cook finish. So I just dey guess say baby girl don dey learn to dey dress decently, but e no really matter sha o. Some people dey fit dey dress like ashawo, they no go really be ashawo, but who knows. Make we enter Sandra matter. So Sandra of BB Titan, our mama Sandy, how do they even call her? They say na Sandy Nation, na be her fan base. So she come out few days ago, come make announcement say she dey do her birthday in 5 days time. She say birthday in 5 days and I just finish, God abeg o. So Nigerians come dey tell her say oya Sandy Nation, you people should donate, contribute for your queen. So as Sandra see that post, she come that person come even still come even talk am again, drop the donation flyer assist. She come say no. Na Sandra come reply the fan, come say no babes, I'm Gucci. Na so her fans come dey hail am, say hope we are going to eat cake o, blah blah blah. So one person come talk say, one of her fans come say, we don't use style to beg on this side, big Sandy for a reason. Well, that statement wey be say she make, I wan emphasize on am, I wan lay emphasis on am because I don notice say all dis our Big Brother Naija people, both Big Brother Africa, no, Big Brother Africa, they no dey even behave like that time sef. Na since dem start dis Big Brother Naija, na people start to dey behave like dem go dey use style dey beg. They'll come, they go first announce the birthday so that their fans go start to dey donate money for them. Some of them go even drop number, say call this number. Some of them go come talk say they go come name am say na event. As in the way dis Big Brother Naija people take dey beg these days, they dey do am in a very tush way. You no go quick even see the begging. Bella don come out which dey come dey do am doing birthday and na make fans contribute o. Phyna too, I'm doing birthday. Everybody dey do birthday. All of them now na birthday beggars. They stylishly dey beg, dey deceive themselves. But na people na get money wey be say go dey give them, because me, I no even send anybody before. I go fit find you from afar, but no be the one wey be say I go come dey press my neck for something wey be say not concern me. So e go good make everybody learn how to dey keep distance from all these celebrities sometimes. Any celebrity wey wan do birthday, do your birthday. Nothing dey wrong if una wey be even celebrity sef carry una money buy things, dash una fans plenty. No be every time na fans dey dash celebrity something. Una take care, una bye.